In this video, I would like to present my view on the birth chart of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger was born on the 29th July in the year 1947 in Graz of Austria. Internationally, he is well known for his bodybuilding, daredevil action movies, and as Governor of California. After serving 2 terms in office, he is returned back to film. Now let us have a look at the tropical chart of Arnold Schwarzenegger. The ascendant or the Lagna is Cancer. Venus and Mercury are in the Lagna. Venus is the 4th and 11th lord from Lagna, and he is also the 5th and the 10th lord from Moon Lagna. The Moon Lagna is represented by the red arrow there. Therefore, Venus is a Rajyoga Karaka for this native. Mercury is the 3rd lord from Lagna. Lagna Lord Moon receives aspect from Mercury and Venus. Also, the Lagna Lord Moon receives aspect from the 5th and the 10th Lord Mars. From the Moon Lagna, Mars is the 4th and 11th Lord. Now, both Venus and Mars are Rajyoga Karakas for this native because of the combination of the quadrants and the trines. These Rajyoga Karakas, Venus and Mars, influence Lagna as well as Lagna Lord Moon. Lagna is further aspected by the 9th Lord Jupiter. So powerful influences of 4, 5, 9 and 10 are present on the Lagna. Powerful 10th house or ownership of the 10th house is required for one to achieve international fame and name. Lagna, which represents the self, in this particular chart receives highest order positive influences from Venus, Lagna Lord Moon, and then Jupiter. Therefore, the individual is one with international fame. Now coming to the profession, 10th house and the 10th Lord are to be seen. Here, the 10th Lord is Mars and the 10th Lord is Venus from Moon Lagna. Both of them aspect the Lagna Lord Moon. Mars aspects Sagittarius, the sign representing the competitive field. For good sports persons, there should be a favorable Mars, and Mars should either aspect Sagittarius or should be in Sagittarius. Mars also represents valor. Now Venus combined with Mercury and Moon represents stage, and here Mercury being the 3rd lord also stands for bravery. Now therefore, the individual developed bodybuilding and also went into films. Venus, influenced by the 3rd lord Mercury and the 3rd lord Jupiter, is responsible for making the individual act in daredevil movies centered around physique. Sun and Saturn are closely influenced by Venus and Mercury, which are in the Lagna. You can see the closeness of Venus to Sun and Saturn. Sun is the 2nd lord from Lagna. Saturn is the 2nd and the 7th lord from Moon Lagna. Both of them agree in the 2nd ownership, are strongly placed in the 2nd house from Lagna. Venus, the Rajyoga planet for this native, owning 4, 5 and 10, forces itself on the 2nd lord, the Sun, and through him on the 2nd house, which made the native a wealthy man, and also the native succeeded in real estate because of the 4th house influence and the 4th house Rajyoga present because of Venus. Sun represents authority and politics. The 5th and 10th ownership of Venus combined with Sun made the native stand in elections, win the elections, and also went on to hold the post as governor. So this is a very short view and a broad reading of the chart of Arnold Schwarzenegger.